Are you a business owner struggling to connect with your audience effectively? What if I told you there's a powerful tool that can transform your business? Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the 6 incredible benefits of email marketing for business owners. First is high ROI. Let's talk about return on investment. With email marketing, every dollar spent can generate a substantial return. Second is appeals to different audience segments. Email marketing allows you to tailor your messages to different audience segments, ensuring that each subscriber receives content that resonates with them. Third is saves you time and money. Say goodbye to costly traditional marketing methods. With email automation, you can reach your audience at the right time without spending hours on manual outreach. Fourth is creating stronger customer relationships. By delivering personalized content directly to your subscribers' inboxes, you can nurture stronger relationships with your customers, leading to increased loyalty and trust. Fifth is increases sales. Email marketing isn't just about engagement, it's also a powerful sales tool. From exclusive offers to product launches, email campaigns can drive significant revenue for your business. Sixth and last is to build a valuable subscriber base. Finally, email marketing helps you build a valuable subscriber base filled with individuals who are genuinely interested in your brand. These subscribers are more likely to convert into paying customers. Ready to take your business to the next level with email marketing? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business soar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.